Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2007 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a 6.0 diesel two-wheel drive. It's got 269,000 miles on it. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Union Pacific Railroad. It's had an engine put in it around 70,000 miles ago. Walk around and show it to you. It's got 11-foot maintainer bed, 3,500-pound crane, hydraulic air compressor. Nice set of tires all the way around. This is a California truck, so it doesn't have any rust. Hydraulic outriggers out back. Show you the crane and all in a minute. That's a Quincy QT S5 hydraulic compressor. You got a place here for a welder. That's what that's made for. I'm about to go, I'm gonna kick the PTO on. I'll show you the crane and the air compressor. One thing that we didn't do, and we normally always do it, and it just got overlooked, but it will have one on it before you get it. We didn't get around to putting an air hose and reel on it, so the back end's opened up with air from the main hose. It's just blowing out. So, but it will have an air hose on it when you get it. There's your main air hose up there. That's where the hose and reel will be. Like I said, it'll be on the truck when you get it. My guys just forgot to get one and put on there. Alright, show you the crane first. Up, down, side to side. Winch down, extension out, extension in, winch up, boom down. Alright, kick your air compressor on here. Here. You can hear it pumping air. Got work lights, flood lights, all that good stuff. All right, if you're interested, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. Again, it's a 07 model. It's got 270,000 miles on it. One owner truck. Just had the engine replaced 70,000 miles ago. Out of California. It's got the maintainer bed on it. Which in my opinion is one of the nicest ones on the market. So we price these trucks for what the beds are worth, basically. You're basically paying for the bed and getting the truck for free. That's what I tell people all the time. Run the thing for 4 or 5 years, and if you want to upgrade, just upgrade your truck. Keep this bed. These beds are the best beds on the market. So, you know, it's hard to, we'll list this truck for $26,900. So it's a lot of truck for $26,000. California truck, they're always super nice. We try to buy every truck we see out there that we're interested in. We're gonna buy it more than likely. That cruise button will be also replaced. I don't know how that got overlooked either, but it will have a cruise button on it. All right, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, we can ship this truck straight to your door. Be around $1.25 a mile, something like that. Or you're welcome to come here and drive it home. All right, thanks for watching.